3, 2, 1.
And here we are at the last and long-awaited day of the 2004 edition of the Rizzotti Trophy.
Thank you. The channel is up to you.
You are even forbidden to go on the other side. Non si blijft in de senso. Because all the
Che fine!
Was fantastic. We had a super time and we look forward to coming back next year. We know that this venue was very, very difficult because the organizers had to put everything together and bring all the boats from the yacht club, and we're very impressed with how the regatta went off.
Oh, it was really fun. We need to practice harder though so we can beat the Croatians next time.
Oh, overall the sailing was nice. The wind came when it needed to, and we just had a great time.
It was a really excellent an edition which was a bit difficult because we missed Gianpaolo Righetti, who always organized this event. However, we were still able to put in place a great record edition with 22 teams, which never happened before, with 2 teams for the United States, and with everyone very happy. The wind helped us this year and also let us complete this program, which was more ambitious than usual.
The first to take to the water for the first race of the day are Lombardy and the Veneto.
I ragazzi hanno dimostrato di aver raggiunto un livello in Italia sulla regata
The guys and the girls showed that they have reached such a level in Team Regattes in Italy that they can put on a really exciting shows, and demonstrated that they will understand the difference between Team Regattes and individual regattes.
Will you tell us about these 3 days of races? There was always enough wind, the regattas went pretty well, even though it could have gone a bit better and we were able to complete all the trials.
This is the first time I have come to this event, and I liked it a lot. I hope to come back next year.
This is the first time that there is an all-women's team in the Marco Rizzotti Trophy. How did this go in Venice? It went well, considering that it is the first time we all trained together. All things considered, it went well.
This event was a very important experience for the Team Regattes, and I hope to come back next year.
At the end, Friuli Venezia Giulia and USA-IV will contest the regattas for the third and fourth positions, while Croatia I and Tuscany Umbria will compete for overall victory and the second place. And while the young American and Friuli helmsmen are getting ready to pass the first buoy, the decisive race has just begun for attributing the first and second places. Remember that this is being fought by the young people of the Croatia I and Tuscany Umbria teams.
Si aggiudica il 17° trofeo Marco Rizzotti. Un nome per tutti, voi lo conoscete sicuramente ancora meglio di me, Filippo Matica, il campione del mondo in carica, con lui Albert, il Vogel, Filippo e Marco.
I think his race, his regatta is been very okay. He's good. All the team is very good. Organization in very too much, and I think is the old people in working regatta is very hard and very good job.
Croatia was certainly the favorite. The favorite teams were unquestionably Croatia, which had the world champion and won the trophy, while Antignano came second and defended itself very well.
Per il terzo anno consecutivo si aggiudica il Trofeo Castorama. La squadra proveniente dalla Toscana Umbria, Marcello Meringolo, l'allenatore, i ragazzi li abbiamo appena conosciuti, li richiamiamo con noi. Victor, Bernardo, Valentino, Filippo e Filippo.
We are happy with the way things went, and we will try to win next year. This is the third year we have come in second, but we have won the Castorama Cup for 3 years. We were dejected with the semifinals, but we tried to do our best in the final. But anyway, I hope to come back next year and to sail great regattas.
Parlando del Friuli Venezia Giulia, Jas Farnetti, Simon Silizko-Suta, Augusto Borovat, Tommaso Rizzo e Stefano Zuglia. Bravissimi ragazzi!
manica bandiera.
And the 18th edition of the Marco Rizzotti Trophy comes to an end with the traditional flag-lowering ceremony.
Amazing. It was beautiful. We enjoyed this immensely, had a lot of fun. Thank you. It was a beautiful venue. You've been so wonderful. Thank you for having us.
It was a great regatta. We achieved some good results. We were about to do better, but then there were unforeseeable occurrences which changed things a little.
We have been having such a good time. It's such a beautiful, beautiful place. Everyone has been so kind and friendly and patient.